Uh, Namaste, My Nature India. Thank you for visiting us to the Bilvashri farm. My name is Madan and she's my wife Beena. And this farm name is Bilvashri farm, and this belongs to my mother-in-law, Dr. Uma HS. We both are, working in MNC company. I am working in MNC company, and she is a lecturer, and my mother-in-law, she is a professor. And we had kind of interest in agriculture, so we bought this land in 4 years ago. And after that, we developed this land by putting like lot of trees like coconut trees and neem trees and teak wood, all that. And after that, we thought of constructing one house, like a farmhouse concept, and we chose like we call it in Kannada Totti Mane concept. So after that, we planned certain things like how it should look and all that. And my mother-in-law and my wife, they worked to get that planning done. And then we all sat together, and with my friend Chandrakant, who is the engineer for this house, we all sat together and planned it. And we built 1200 square feet farmhouse in this land. And this is like one of our dream house, I can say. And my mother-in-law and my wife, they really enjoyed in constructing this house, and the concept, they really liked it. And then I would like to ask my wife to say a few words about this house and the farm, the kind of interest what she has. Beena.
Definitely. 4 years ago, we never had a plan of having a farm because we never came from a farming family. And today, if we stand here and look around, many times I wonder if it is a dream or reality. Because living in Bangalore, having a few plants right in front of the house, from that to having a farm of our own has become a dream. And my mother always dreamt of having a beautiful garden, which she could not realize in Bangalore. So that dream has been transferred to this beautiful wonderland, which I think I can call it as my mother's wonderland and our dream too. The other thing is we believe in sustainable living. Sustainable living is living along with nature. If we go against nature, we know we have suffered as human beings. So today we feel that if we serve nature, if we nurture nature, it will definitely take care of us, which we have witnessed very prominently in this small piece of land. So today we are very happy to be here, and this house is definitely a dream come true. It has taken a lot of effort, lot of planning, many discussions, brainstorming, googling, taking a lot of data, price comparison,
Traveling.
most importantly traveling to different places to find whatever we want,
Yeah, the right things.
the
For
right things,
example,
and
yeah, the
for
furniture.
good price.
Yeah, and for the good and the wood.
Wood, quality
Yeah,
of
quality
wood.
of wood what we bought.
And I think we were quite lucky also. We have come across very genuine, good
People.
traders, good business people who have helped us in realizing this dream. And equally, our engineer, Mr. Chandrakant, who is now an entrepreneur, a young entrepreneur, he also
Took it very
supported our
seriously,
dream.
and yeah.
He supported our dream because for him constructing a normal house was
It's very usual.
it is very usual, very easy, but this is something very unusual. So even he loved this journey. It was a journey of not just one person, almost 3 to 4 people who got completely involved in it.
Yeah.
Everybody has put their mind and heart in building this house.
Not only that, when it comes to farming, we actually planned a lot of things like first, we thought, we go for the regular crops. Like, first, I started with Mangalore Saute. We call it as MC. And it's actually, frankly speaking, it doesn't, and it's never disappointed me. It gave me, a good opportunity to learn how the agriculture works, and how the difficulties and what are the benefits, you get, and all that. So, and after that, I tried many things. Yeah, though, I never made a huge margin of income, but, at the same time, I never lost anything, by doing this agriculture actually. And see, especially when it comes to coconut tree, I know it's initially, for 7 years, you won't get any benefit out of it. But after that, yes, definitely, like my wife mentioned, when you nurture nature, the nature nurtures us back. Yeah, it's definitely, true actually. And also, we tried different things, like we tried growing maize and different type of
Leguminous plants.
leguminous plants. And we actually, normally what we do, since, only during weekends, we visit this farm, because, we all work in Bangalore. Only during weekends, we come here and be with the nature, and we work. Not only we just come here to enjoy, we literally work entire day in and day out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and even my mother-in-law, oh my God, she's like, morning she starts at 6, and till evening 7, she'll be in the field, and she'll be doing many things. She'll be collecting firewoods, and she'll be doing planting. So many things, she does. She never gets tired, and she loves doing that. And normally, when you compare, city people, they don't like to, indulge in farming and all that.
So we have enjoyed doing that, and I think we should tell them about water.
Yeah, and see, main thing, the water, because it's very, limited resource
Agriculture
nowadays.
is dependent on water,
Water,
completely.
yeah.
So if we don't have water, that is the main drawback. So to overcome that drawback, we have seen in and around many borewells have failed. And though we have channels and canals in and around,
Very nearby. It's
very
not that,
nearby.
very far. It's like, just a few meters away, we have a channel here, and, we have water bodies, lot of things. But still, in and around of my farm, there is no borewell which is sustained for quite a long.
Quite long. So we
Yeah.
believe in conservation of water,
Water.
which is very important, whether it is us or any farmer who is dependent completely on agriculture. This is one lesson we have to learn, where we have to conserve water. So whatever falls on the house, on the roof, this is actually
It's
channeled
collected
into
and
rainwater harvesting.
rainwater harvesting actually. And also, we make use of drip irrigation. We believe in drip irrigation, because of this, the water will not get unnecessary get wasted. So wherever, there is a plant, only, for those plant, due to drip irrigation, only those plants will be, we are sourcing the water. Otherwise, it's a very, what I can say, or else you can use of sprinkling system also. That is also one of the good procedure, I believe, to save water.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So even when we were constructing the house, this was one of our main intention of saving water. Where can we save water? That is one, because today water is a great gift. If we waste it, we will never get it back. So that way we should always conserve water, and that we have tried doing whatever we can. If we can see, the field is also at 3 different levels. So water comes down flowing from the different levels. So at the lowest level where we have the house, water definitely comes down when it rains. So that water is channeled into the rainwater harvesting
Which is
well.
near, which is near the borewell.
Yes, this enriches the borewell every year during the monsoon season.
Yeah, and also I urge people to get their children to the farm and
Absolutely.
yeah, make them work
So
at the
now, if you
field.
know, corporate people every weekend are taking small pieces of land for lease only to
Mm,
have the experience of agriculture. So we should not get scared of soiling our hands,
yeah,
because that is the biggest gift. If we soil our hands, soil is going to gift us back.
yeah. Let our children also work in the field. So let them also experience with the nature how things works, how you can plant, and how you get fruits from the plant. Let them experience that, and don't just tell them don't touch the soil or don't touch the cow dung and all that. It's a good thing actually. If you are with the nature will definitely help you in leading a good life, a healthy life, I believe.
And more realistic view of farming is, we cannot promise that if we invest 10,000 we will get 20,000 profit. It is not like that. Initially it is investment, but if we are realistic about what we are doing, if we work hard and take care of what we are doing, if not a huge amount of profit, we can definitely get some
Some income.
satisfaction and also income.
It is like it's a good income. Like if you consider coconut tree, and after 7 to 8 years, definitely you will get a good income for every month. At least in my farm we have approximately 72 coconut trees, and I believe yearly at least we get up to close to 2 lakhs income from those trees. And apart from that, we have quite a lot of mango trees and few
Different fruits.
different fruits. So even from that also we expect some income. So now we already getting few income from mango trees, and yearly we get 15 to 10,000. Yeah, because we have only few trees, like close to 8 trees, and it's I believe it's a good income. Uh, Definitely we should try this concept. If you have interest and love for farming, please try, otherwise
And
don't try.
youngsters now go from villages to cities to find a job. They don't like working in their father's field. They want to go out and find a bench and desk job where it is a 9 to 5 job. They want to go well dressed, earn there. So along with that, please get your education, but don't leave your roots,
True.
because your fathers and forefathers have thrived and lived on lands farming. So please don't go away from that, don't disconnect, come back. If you have time, don't waste your education, along use that education to enrich agriculture also.
Yeah,
It
now
never
we
goes for
get
a waste.
lot of benefits from the governments. They are doing lot of beneficiary thing, giving lot of beneficiary to the farmers. So make use of that. And like I said, for drip irrigation you get discounts,
Subsidies.
subsidies and all that. And for everything, if you purchase tractors or any
Agriculture
agricultural
tools.
thing tools, you get lot of subsidies. Make use of that, and definitely you can get some good benefits, not you know
Large amount of profits.
yeah,
But at least if
at
we
least, yeah.
try our best, it is not
Yeah,
going to
if you
go
are,
for a
if you
waste.
dedicate yourself, definitely you should, you will get a income out of it. There is no doubt about it. Thank you.